This video is for educational purposes only. We do not encourage, nor condone any of these activities. A dark web forum is a platform where users can freely discuss matters connected to hacking, crypto, money schemes, and many more topics. In today's video, we will reveal to you 7 active and secure dark web forums to visit. If you don't want to miss them, stick around. If you are new around here, make sure to subscribe with notifications on, so you do not miss any of our new videos. Also, feel free to follow us on social media, links in the description box down below. Number 1. Dread. Dread is a dark web forum that was designed to mimic the look of the legitimate forum website Reddit. After its creation in 2018, this dark web forum now sees over hundreds of posts per day. This forum was created to host many sub-communities to help threat actors connect and find the information they want quickly. Communities are in relation to selling data, such as PayPal accounts, credit cards, and cryptocurrencies, e-commerce businesses. Number 2. Exploitin. Exploitin is one of the dark web forums established to prepare the ground for cyber attacks. It also sells VPN and initial access, a marketplace, making Exploitin the favorite dark web forum for ransomware hackers. Number 3. RAMP. RAMP, also known as Russian Anonymous Marketplace, is a dark web forum that users can access only with a dark web extension. This forum has a different membership system. It is not possible to become a member of this forum directly. It specializes in selling illicit products, but also financial services, including Bitcoin, tumbling for money, laundering and more. To become a member of this forum, users must have an active membership in other dark web forums, reputation system, or pay a fee. Number 4. CrypBB. CrypBB is an encrypted open-source forum for the hacker elites. This dark web forum was initially leaked in 2020. The admins of CrypBB have claimed that it is the most suitable forum for beginner programmers, carders, and threat actors. The forum is designed to connect both seasoned malicious actors and long-time members to collaborate privately. Number 5. FreeA. Since its launch on 2014, this Russian cybercrime forum is one of the largest hacking communities in the world. It is a constantly expanding expertise database, covering hacking methods and tools for everything from carding to DDoS attacks. They require a strict joining process that can test the skills and proficiency of potential members to select the hacking elites. Number 6. Alternet. Alternet forum is a carding forum, launched in 2008, gained popularity with credit card fraud. Users can access this forum with dark web extensions. However, in May 2018, its founder was caught, and the first established forum was closed, but its successor Alternet NZ continues to be actively used. Number 7. Null. It was put in the spotlight when its database containing info including PayPal passwords, purchase records, were leaked in 2016. Null is one of the largest known forums for various types of illicit content, ranging from leaks to money-making scams. It's worth to mention that the forum includes sections for both VIP and premium members only.